Howdy. So in this particular video right now, I'm going to be starting right here from my clock, and I'm going to be stopping at this particular point. So I think in this particular few minutes, I'm going to be having some conversation with you, or I think it's going to be worth listening to and worth waiting for right here. So let's dive into the video without further ado. So howdy, this is Ipyong right here, and this is what I'm going to be talking about in this particular video. Even hopefully, I actually don't know if many people are actually going to watch this particular video. I do care, but I'm not bothered actually. So because I have an intention to drop what I'm currently feeling at this particular moment, and I'm going to be talking about the growth of this particular channel right now, and also the way forward, things I need to know and things I want to improve right here. So this is an open space for us to talk about the improvement on this particular channel, and I would like to get your advice at the comment section also right here. But remember, make it friendly right here. So right now in this particular video, earlier when I started this particular channel, I started about kind of 3 years ago or so. Yeah, so and I started talking about cryptocurrency right now, how to make money online, cryptos, meme coin, thereabout. And with some time I got burned out with this particular topic right here, and not because I wasn't making money from it, but because I got interest in some other area of life, and I have to dive into that also. And because you're my subscriber right now, so I don't want to take you into a journey that you don't know about. I don't want to take you into a journey that you will be a loner right there. So I have to just come right here to tell you what is currently going on in my life right now. All right, so currently you are going to notice I've not been posting for a while, and this is actually because I actually go back from my advanced degree right now. So academics is actually right there, and it's eating me up hard. So I barely have time to actually drop video for you people to engage into right now, but I'm currently still here. Before I go, let me just go on a break. I have a link at the description of this particular video that links to my Telegram account right here. So right there, you are going to see the update. Even if I'm not dropping a video, I drop a way to actually make money online and update about them to follow up. All right, so let's come back to our video. Right, we are back. So right now, what I'm currently seeing right now is that I'm going to be making a lot of diverse video this time goes on, but the point is still not going to change, because the main purpose of this particular channel is looking for all area that is actually legit, that I can make money, and while teaching people also can also make money from this. And this is what I've been trying to do for the past few years right now, and it's currently working, and I'm so proud of that. So I'm just trying to change out the dimension of how this is going to be working right now, and I want you to join in with me into this particular process, because that is the goal of a team and of a family. I can't just be going alone and leave you behind to let you drop. All right, so I have a few minutes before this goes, so let's just round up our video right now. So what do you think about that? So what I'm going to be doing right now is also how to make money online, and new benefits and opportunities that I've actually discovered that you don't really need too much of time to develop into that. You just need to be patient and to know the skill perfectly so that you can be able to join right here. So I know I'm currently ranting right now. I'm actually talking to myself. I don't know what's going to happen with this particular video, if anybody's going to get to watch. But if you are currently watching to this particular stage, oh, you owe my heart right here, because you're actually interested in my video, and you're actually interested in watching me over and over again, even if I'm not making sense right here. So I want to hear from you. What do you think about this particular video? What do you think I should be making right now? Because currently a lot is currently going out, and I hope right now I'm out to you to be able to describe myself to you and tell you what to know. So right now we are almost reaching the clock right here, and I think I have to go, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.